Hello friends, good morning and welcome to the channel. Myself Raz, and in this video I am going to discuss how to enable SA account in SQL Server, right? So when I'm telling about SA account, that means system administrator account, right? So when you are working on any working as a DBA or database administrator or any senior SQL developer, you might encounter some situation where you have to give some you have to work on some authentication issues or some you have to work on some legacy applications, so where you must need a system administrator privilege, right? For that, you have to enable that account in SQL Server. Now, as part of this video tutorial, I'm going to show you two simple approaches to do this. Okay, now what I'll do without making any delay, I'll just navigate to my SQL Server Management Studio, where I will show you the fast approach how we can use SQL Server Management Studio design approach to enable this SA account in your SQL Server. And then the second approach will be via a SQL query also we can able to enable this SA account, right? So now let me navigate to SQL Server Management Studio. So you can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio and ensure it is master database. And then what you can, the moment you connected to SQL Server Management Studio, you will see the Object Explorer here, right? So there you can able to see databases, and then one more folder is security, right? That you have to expand, right? Click on the plus icon, you just left side of the security folder, and then you can able to see these logins, right? Logins folder. So that also you have to expand by clicking on this plus icon, and then you can able to see here as a account, right? Here, if you closely see, there is a red cross mark on this little icon, right? So that means it is disable. When you will see this red cross mark, that means it is disable. If I'll say here RAS, here there is no red mark, that is enabled. That's why. Okay. And here if you'll see SA is disabled. Now to enable, what you need to do, you can right click on this SA account and then click on the properties, and then you can set a password here. Okay, so you can just enter a password. I will type a password here, and then you need to confirm the same password. And then what you can do, you can uh, select this enforce password policy or enforce password expression based on your requirement. But I will not do that. I will just keep it as default like this. And then you can click on the status option. And here you can able to see enabled and disabled, right? All other things, let it be like that. You can also change it if you want. If you click on the server roles, you can able to see your server role is used to grant server wide security privileges to a user, right? So you can select all these options based on your requirement. So I need only public and sysadmin. So I'm not changing anything. User mapping also, you can change it based on your requirement if you want to change it here anything. So then you can move to the status, which is quite important to enable the SA account. Here you can able to see here the login. Under this login, you can able to see enabled and disabled, right? You have to click on the enabled option and then ensure to click on the OK button. The moment you will do that, the say account is enabled now. You can able to see still the red cross mark, but if I'll go here, right click and refresh it once, you can able to see the red cross mark is gone now because it is enabled now. So this is the first approach you have to utilize to enable the SA account in SQL Server. Now, the second approach is you can also use SQL query to query the database to enable that particular account, right? Let me just disable it just to show you the second approach, right? So I'll go to properties and I will go to the status. I will click on disable. Okay, right? Now, if I'll go here and refresh it, it is visible now, right? Now we will utilize the second approach. So what we need to do, we have to write a query for that. So what you need to write, we have to write. Now what you need to write is you have to select the master database here, or else what you can do, you can type your use master and then semicolon and then go. You need to mention here go, and on the next line we can say alter login SA. You have to mention here the account name and then say enable. Then you have to put a semicolon over here. Then you have to type go, and then on the next line you can type alter login SA account name with password. You remember we enter a password or unconfirmed password, right? So that means when you are providing the when we are trying to enable this SA account, you have to provide the password as well. So here I will type a password. Say so I have to type Raj at the rate 1 2 3 4 5, something like that, right? So I will put a semicolon here and then I will say go, right? So this is the complete script you have to execute, guys. For that, let me execute this. You can able to see command completed successfully. And now, till it is on red tick mark, right? If I go here and I will replace it, you can able to see this is gone now, right? So if I'll, this is enabled, right? That's why the red tick mark is gone. If I'll go here, properties, and I will just go here status. You can able to see it is enabled now. So this is by using the SQL query also we can enable the SA account, right? So these are the two approaches you can utilize to enable SA account or system administration in SQL Server. So that's it for today. I thought to quickly show you how to enable a system administrator account or SA account in SQL Server, and these are the two simple approaches you can utilize to do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.